Find the derivative of 2 plus 3x multiplied by quantity 1 negative x with respect to x. And then these are the options. Well, to start this, let's start by writing the function as a function of x. So let y equals 2 plus 3x multiplied by 1 negative x. So we want to find the derivative of this function here with respect to x. That is, what we are told to find is we want to find the y dx. So we are told to find the y dx. Well, what you have here is the product of two functions. So the first one you have here is u, and the next one you have here is v. So this is a product of two functions. Now, anytime you're told to find the product of two functions, you need to lay credence to a formula that we call the product rule. Now, what I wrote here is y equals, I call this u and I call this v. So I can just say my y equals u times v. Now what the product rule says is that because we have here to be my u as a function of x and my v also is a function of x, and we are told to find the product of two functions. So the product rule says that the derivative of y with respect to x is just simply u, then the derivative of u with respect to x, u du dx, plus u dv dx, I meant to say, plus v du dx. So this is what the product rule says. And to make this clearer, we could just call my v to be in white. So it says u times the derivative of v with respect to x, then plus v, so this is my v times the derivative of u with respect to x. And according to the notation I used here, I said my u is going to be, so I said my u is 2 plus 3x and my v equals 1 negative x. So to find the derivative of u with respect to x, this is just simply going to be, so my u here is a constant, so the derivative of 2 is 0, so I'm going to be left with 3x, and the derivative of 3x is just simply 3. So similarly, to find the v dx, so the derivative of 1 is a constant, so this is 0, so it remains negative x, and the derivative of negative x is negative 1. So I can then use these results in this formula here. So what it says is dy dx equals u. So what is my u? So my u is 2 plus 3x. So I'm going to write that down. You have 2 plus 3x, then multiplied by, what is my dv dx? So this is my dv dx here. This is going to be negative 1. Now plus, what is my v? So my v is 1 negative x. So alright, 1 negative x, then multiplied by du dx. What is my du dx? That is 3. So multiplied by 3. So let's put this in brackets and let's put this in brackets. So this is just going to give you negative 1 times 2 is going to give you negative 2, then negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x, then plus 3 times 1, that is 3, and 3 times negative x is going to be negative 3x. So the next thing is you collect like terms. So this is negative 2, this is 3, so you have negative 2 plus 3, and then you have negative 3x, negative 3x. So negative 2 plus 3 is 1, and negative 3x, negative 3x is negative 6x. So your dy dx is 1 negative 6x. So this is the answer here, 1 negative 6x.